Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing another what I eat in a day video. So first I have some black coffee with this Nut Pods hazelnut creamer. I think you can see the ingredients a little bit, but it's unsweetened and it's pretty good. I don't really like sweetened coffee creamer, so this is perfect. After my coffee, I had a smoothie with a banana, about a cup of frozen raspberries, some almond milk, raw cacao powder. I used probably about a tablespoon, and then this amazing grass protein powder. It's the chocolate rose flavor, and it actually has rose petals in it, which I think is really cool because I'm obsessed with floral stuff. I've used it a couple times and I really like it. It's pretty good. So I just blended that all up and had that for breakfast, and this is one of the best smoothies I've ever had. I've had it like 3 days in a row, so definitely try it, you guys. For lunch I had an English muffin, and usually I will buy like whole wheat bread if I buy a loaf of bread or something, but I don't like whole wheat English muffins, so this is just a normal white flour. This is a sourdough kind, and I had it with some of this tofu egg salad that I made, and I have a recipe for this on my channel in another video, and then I topped it with some tomato slices. So then later in the day I took all of my supplements, and I have like a vegan omega supplement, a multivitamin, a probiotic, and then a couple herbal powdered supplements, and a big glass of water with some grapefruit juice in it just to flavor it. And also throughout the day I've been snacking on this Get Back to Human cashew butter and raspberry jelly chocolate. It is so good. I'm obsessed with it. I ordered an entire 12-pack of bars from their website. For dinner I made a mac and cheese with some roasted cashews, butternut squash, miso paste, almond milk, some other seasonings, and all of that blended up as the sauce, and I'm working on getting together like exact measurements so I can share the recipe with you guys. And then I had half of a roasted sweet potato and some roasted broccoli, and it doesn't look like very much, but I actually had like 2 servings of all of this, so it was quite a bit of food. And that's all I had today. So let me know if you guys like videos like this. I love making them. I'd love to make more, and thanks for watching. Bye.